What I wish I knew before my Ford Explorer's AC started blowing warm air. Let's break it down. So, your Ford Explorer's air conditioner isn't cooling. Annoying, right? The most common culprit? The air conditioner compressor. This little guy is the heart of your AC system. It's responsible for pumping refrigerant through the system to cool your air. Here's the deal. Over time, the compressor can wear out or fail. When it does, you're left with warm air blowing out of your vents. Not cool literally. There are a few signs your compressor might be the issue. First, if you hear strange noises when your AC is on, like rattling or clicking, that's a red flag. Second, if your AC isn't as cold as it used to be, that's another hint. So, what can you do? Unfortunately, a faulty compressor usually means it needs to be replaced. It's not a DIY job. You'll need a professional mechanic to handle it. But, regular maintenance can help prevent this problem. Get your AC system checked regularly and keep an eye out for early signs of trouble. In summary, if your Ford Explorer's AC is blowing warm air, the compressor could be the issue. Listen for noises, check the coolness, and don't hesitate to get it checked out by a pro. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more car tips.